Hello students, so we will be solving the remaining questions from this topic statistics. Before watching this video, please watch the previous parts. So the question says the mean and variance of a data of 10 observations are this respectively. If an observation alpha in this set is replaced by beta, then the mean and variance becomes 10.1 and 1.9 respectively, then alpha plus beta. Okay, the mean and variance of a data of 10 observations. So sigma, let us say xi divided by okay, let me write down clearly. Sigma I equals to 1 to 10 xi divided by 10 observations will be equals to 10, right? Mean is 10. So sigma I equals to 1 to 10 xi will be equals to 100. And what will the variance be, dear students? Sigma I equals to 1 to 10 xi square divided by 10 minus mean square. And what is mean? Mean is 10. So 10 square will be equals to variance, that is 2. So sigma I equals to 1 to 10 xi square divided by 10 will be 102. So sigma I equals to 1 to 10 xi square will be 1020. This is one part. Now if an observation alpha in this data is replaced by beta, right? So we'll do one thing. So sigma I equals to 1 to 9 xi. Let us say the 10th observation is alpha. So let me write down here. That will be, so sigma I equals to 1 to 9 xi will be 100 minus alpha. If I'm adding beta, so that will be sigma equals to 1 to 9 xi plus beta will be equals to 100 minus alpha plus beta. So this is one thing. Now same thing here, sigma equals to 1 to 9 xi square. Let us say the 10th observation is alpha, so I'll get alpha square here, that will be equals to 1020. So sigma equals to 1 to 9 xi square will be 1020 minus alpha square. Now let me add beta square because that is what is replaced, right? So that will be 1020 minus alpha square plus beta square. So what is it telling, dear students? Then the mean and variance becomes, then the mean is 10.1. So now let me write that here. Mean is now, new mean is 10.1. That means 100 minus alpha plus beta divided by 10 observations, right? Yeah, that should be 10.1 if I'm right, correct? Yeah. So what does that mean? 100 minus alpha plus beta will be 10.1 into 10 is 101. So that means beta minus alpha will be 101 minus 100, that is 1. So beta minus alpha is 1 from here. And from here, new variance is how much? 1.99. New variance is 1.99. So sigma I equals to 1 to, so how should we write? Actual formula is this, xi square divided by 10 minus mean square will be equals to 1.99. But here the problem is, okay, the new mean is, instead of mean we can write mu, we can write 10.1. So here we can write 10.1 whole square. That's not an issue. Here we can do one thing. Let us say instead of 1 to 10, no, we'll do one thing. Let us write 1 to 9 xi square plus beta square, dear students. I hope you understood this. So here we get 1020 minus alpha square plus beta square by 10 will be equals to 10.1 whole square plus 1.99. Now 10.1 whole square. Okay, so one quickly will find 1 not 1 whole square will be 100 plus 1 into 100 plus 1. It should be plus 100 plus 100 is 200 plus 1. So it should be 10201, correct? Right, yeah. So now hence 10.1 whole square will be 102.01, right? So this will be 102.01 plus 1.99. So 102 plus 2, I think, yeah. If I take this 0.01, I give that to 1.99, I get 2. So 102 plus 2 will be 104. So ultimately we get 1020 minus alpha square plus beta square by 10 is equals to 104. That means beta square minus alpha square plus 1020 will be 1040. So beta square minus alpha square will be 20 because 1040 minus 1020 is 20. That means beta minus alpha into beta plus alpha will be 20. And what is beta minus alpha? That is 1. So here we can write 1 into beta plus alpha is 20. So therefore alpha plus beta should be equals to 20. So 20 should be the answer, dear students. Do we have it an option? Yes, it as an option. Yes, we do have it as an option. That's it, dear students. Thank you for watching this video. Meet you with the next one.